There he is again. Always hungry.
What should we do?
Should we fix the jet ski?
Okay. That's a great idea.
He doesn't know it yet, but I'm basically just going to sit there and watch him. Do all the hard work.
All the lights are on.
Because someone decided to go over some rocks. And if I can get down there, smash off that little piece there. So in order to do that, we have to split the jet ski, take the top off, so we can get inside, get to the bolts. We're going to replace it with this bad boy. Bit of an upgrade. When Aaron's finished his chips, we'll get into it.
Oh, that's the spare bolts. They're the new bolts now.
Yeah.
Water in there, and then through here. And then speed and then power. I'm gonna go back inside.
Why? To get more chips?
To get the bloody keys. To take the padlock off, because for some reason people steal stuff. So annoying.
I bet you he's getting more chips. He's had 3 packets already. He maybe haven't done anything yet.
Found them.
Excellent.
Can you see in here steering? Yep, the steering thing up here needs to come off.
I don't know if anything's visible here.
Now let me just, I can't see it with my own eye, let the camera. Yep, that bolt up there for the steering's got to be undone. And I'm guessing the wiring loom needs to be unplugged. I don't know if this is very good, very exciting
Footage.
footage.
Well, I was just admiring your little
That's that
toolbox there.
Sexual tension. You right, Jeff?
I'm going to take my hand. I feel like something else should have come out as well.
Why?
Because I've just got the washer.
Isn't that in the end of your thing?
Yes. There we go. A jet ski without its top on.
Just like that. That's a vengeance, said no one ever.
So we undid the 5 bolts holding this thing in. So, oh, what have I done? That's the old one. That's the new one,
Easy.
which goes, don't know if you can see that. See if you can see the impeller.
Can you see it?
All right. We've installed the new, what is this thing called? Plate, intake plate thing.
Yeah.
Looks quite good. Yeah, we've finished putting the plate on, so we're going to put the top on, bolt it up, and she's ready to be water tested, I guess. So at some point,
yeah.
make sure it's all sealed up properly. Just like that. Just plug back in.
Plugs in.
Got to do up that steering.
And then just all these little bolts around here. And then all these around there. Put that thing back on.
Didn't really need to take that off.
No, it's good to though, just for fun.
Yeah. Alright. We're all done. Back on the trailer. All together again. With its new intake.